how to create an online course using ChatGPT. Make sure that you are following me and that you like and save this video for future reference. So you want to head over to udemy.com. This is a website that has plenty of courses, and you want to do some research and you want to find a course that's already popular, and you want to pay attention to the reviews and the ratings of the course. So I'm going to take this information and plug this into ChatGPT. So for here, I'm using ChatGPT 4, and I do have these AI PRM prompt plugins. It's a Google Chrome extension. I typed in course, and all of these course prompts already come up, so you don't have to create one on your own. I'm going to click the first one. This is one of the most popular ones. I'm going to paste in the course. So this prompt is building out all my modules, the learning objectives, the questions, and the video script. All you need to do is ask ChatGPT to expand on the video script. Next, you're going to hand over to Canva, and you want to click on presentation. Canva has slides you can choose from, or you can create your own. So I'm going to click on these slides, add them in. Of course, you want to make sure you change all this information into the information that you want it to be. Next, you're going to click on present. I'm going to click on present and record. You choose to have your camera on or off. I'm going to click on start recording. It's going to have a countdown. And there you have it. You can see your video at the bottom. You can see your full screen. When you end the recording, make sure that you download your video. Next, you're going to just rinse and repeat for every lesson in your course. Upload it to your course platform, and that's it. Your course is now complete.